guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm here with few tips and tricks that will help you to get the best out of your skin throughout the winter, to get the soft, supple and flawless skin throughout the winter. So guys, the first tip and trick that I'm going to tell you is that always use oil, any or the other oil, as a makeup remover. For all the girls over there, for all those whom makeup is like an essential routine for their skin, girls, don't use any or the other makeup remover because they are always full of chemical. They are never chemical free, even if they're chemical free, but they have such property which can tend to make your skin very dry throughout the winter. So better use any or the other oil, any essential oil, any facial oil, or any or the other coconut olive oil as a makeup remover. Okay, now the second tip is that before shower, all those who have extremely dry skin, they have to do this must. Extremely dry skin has to follow. For those who are not having that extreme level of dry skin, they can skip this, but for those who are suffering from very flaky and rough skin throughout the winter, they can do this, that before going to shower, just 15 minutes before your shower, just apply all over your body and then go out for shower. Okay, third tip for everyone is that always try to use any or the other oil, whether it's an essential oil, whether it's coconut olive, whatsoever oil, few drops of oil onto your body lotion or your moisturizer. Just add few drops of any oil on your moisturizer. That will give you complete hydration throughout the day without being problematic about the reapplication of the moisturizer. Now the fourth tip is that, guys, try to use the moisturizer instantly after you come out of the shower, because as soon as we come out of the shower, our skin still has that moisture, and when we put on the moisturizer, the moisture remains intact and it's not gone any way or the other, so our skin tends to be supple and smooth throughout the day. Now going on to the fifth tip is that, guys, the fifth tip is very simple but still very much required and very important. That's always apply lip balm. Whether your lips are normal, even if they are normal, they are in a good state, still apply lip balm because your lips can tend to be dry throughout the winter. So don't forget to put on any or the other lip balm. Just apply lip balm always you step out, and whether even if you're not going out anywhere, just apply lip balm. As soon as you hydrate your skin, hydrate your lips also. Okay, now one more thing, guys, that you have to always remember is that what happens is that we think that sunscreen is the product which is usually required when the sun exposure complete and fully, but no, we need to apply sunscreen even in winter, because even in winter sun is still there. The harmful UV radiation, know that आज जाड़ा है और लोगों को नहीं पता है कि सनस्क्रीन लाके आना है, और उस बात का फायदा उठाते हैं और हमें बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. So always apply sunscreen even in winter. Okay, now guys, moving on to the next tip or next trick, I can say, that is that you have to always try to do a facial scrub that is your own homemade DIY. Don't go for any other scrub which is too harsh, which is too much chemical, full of chemicals. It can tend to make your skin dry, and it can even just make your wrinkles, if you're having wrinkles, it will make your wrinkles more and more, and it will even loosen up your skin. So use your own made DIY home scrub. If you want to know how to make a DIY scrub, I'll put on a video on how to make a DIY scrub especially for winter. Now next thing is similar to this, that is you should always use a face pack that is again your DIY home face pack, because when you do a DIY for your face, you know how your skin is, you know your skin better than any other brand, so you know what your skin needs, what it's lacking, so you can just provide the nutrition that your skin really needs along with all the natural products, because you're making it yourself, you won't harm yourself anyway. You can't trust the brand completely, but the thing is not even about trust. The thing is that the brand doesn't know what your skin exactly want, so you can just make a best face pack for your skin. Okay guys, and I'll even make a separate video on how to make a face pack for winter, so you can check out if you want to know how to make a face pack for winter especially. And that face pack and that scrub will be both for men as well as women, and all the tips and tricks I'm going to tell in this video are especially for men and women both. Few of the tips like makeup remover and that boys can skip, but rest all the tips and tricks are even equal to the man as required for women over there. Okay guys, and one more thing, guys, always remember, guys and girls over there, that do not use any or the other harsh alcohol full toner. Each and every toner which is having alcohol or any as such high amount of chemical can just tend to make your skin red, itchy and more dry. So avoid toners that are full of chemicals and alcohol. Okay guys, so these were all the tips and tricks for this winter that I personally use, and I wanted to share it with all of you over there. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. You have to give it a big thumbs up. Okay guys, just like this video, share, comment down. And what you have to do, if you have not subscribed to my channel, there is a button of subscription, that's you can subscribe over there, and that too of red color, that's why I'm wearing red. So you have to subscribe to my channel. Until the time we don't upload the next video, take care guys, love you all, bye bye.